So datum is basically just information that a specific UTXO can hold. Okay. When the UTXO is spent, the datum is gone. Okay. So it's think of it as just information that exists in a UTXO. And there are three things that can happen. Three ways like the datum. The UTXO can either have no datum in it, it can have a hash of a datum, or it can have inline datum. Okay.
Mhm.
So inline datum is data. So for example, this is inline datum. You see this?
Mhm.
Uh, so
Oh,
this
okay. Here we
datum
go.
is inline datum right here. You see this?
Mhm.
So that means you can actually read that the value of the datum directly from that UTXO. Okay. And the hash of a datum is just the hash. You cannot read the actual value of the datum, but you can only read the hash. Uh, and are you familiar with the hash? Hash is a one-way function. As in, if you have a hash, you don't know what is the original data. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
Yeah. So inline datum is when you can directly read the datum. Datum hash is when you have the hash of a data. That means if you have the original information, you can hash your original information and cross check if it is the same hash. So it is just like a cross checking mechanism. And no datum is just no datum.